The Hebridean Way is a 156-mile trail across the Outer Hebrides. On the path we'll spot incredible wildlife, visit historic sites, learn about the outdoors, and enjoy the many views. Welcome to the Hebridean Way. Hello and welcome back. I left you at the end of day 5 and this amazing wild camp. We're up. The view this morning, it's just gone 7. That honestly was my favourite camp I've ever done. Ever done. The views are insane. I'm here watching birds of prey and other birds throughout the night. There were so many butterflies around. That was just nuts. I enjoyed my food and food was good. I had a good sleep. The push to get up here at the end of the day. Yeah, and just, yeah, magic. So magic. Leaving a trace as always. Nothing on the ground. Wouldn't know I was here. And back down this boy now, and you can actually see we're going to this little island here. Right then, let's get back to it. Just approaching the next causeway now. This will take me over to Burnaway. I think that's how you pronounce it. Burnaway. Don't know, something. But yeah, across that causeway, the ferry's on the other side. There's also meant to be a shower there on a coin meter. So fingers crossed I can give a little quick wash because I'll have about 30 minutes, so it should be perfect. The sun is very bright and I can't see. Sadly, there was no shower at the ferry terminal, so I had to have a bath instead. Hi mate. What's up? I guess it's just one set or
it's not wobbly. Not your balance.
Well, with the bag on. Good stuff. I'd actually met Mike a few days ago. He was walking the trail with a friend who unfortunately got injured and had to stop. We crossed paths again on the ferry and then walked most of the day together before parting ways in the evening. Distracted by our conversations, I didn't video much from this day. It was also one of the tougher days and I didn't feel like running back for the camera much. I've always preferred solo hiking, but I can't deny that good company and sharing a view really does make the day go quicker. Oh. Onwards then. Harris has really interesting geology. The bedrock here is believed to be some of the oldest in Europe at 3 billion years old. During the last ice age, glaciers carved out this landscape, leaving behind dramatic glens, crags and lochs. Well, it's a pretty good spot, Angus. Fair play to you, mate. Imagine that view from your house. Not bad. Not bad at all. So yesterday I got the ferry across and I'm now on Harris. And some of the views in this town are absolutely stunning. And here they've got a Tweed museum, a Harris Tweed museum. And Harris Tweed is a hand-woven woolen fabric. And it's actually protected by law under the Harris Tweed Act of 1993, which basically states that in order to be Harris Tweed, it has to be from wool from here, dye from here. The people making it have to be locals, live here, and made in the traditional way. And yeah, it's supported this community for a long time and will continue to do so. And you can quite often see little signs that say family, business, etc. for Harris Tweed. And yeah, it's just really interesting and different way of life. How the wool and the sheep and probably the fishing communities have kept this place going. Stopped and put my feet in for a minute, but noticed that these jellyfish have been stranded and the tide's going out. There's another one on the edge over there. I'm just going to try and see if I can prop them back in the water without hurting them. Done what I can. I mean, that one at the back's actually pulsing and moving away, which is good, but they can't have been out long. Fingers crossed. Got to do what you can when you can, you know, that's what it's about. Wow. In the heat of the afternoon, I kept pushing to the next bit of civilization, Tarbert. Tarbert is a small, quiet village with a big personality. It's home to the Harris Distillery, some unique shops and numerous cafes and food stops. It also had everything I needed to refill my bag for a final push. Hello. Oh, you've got calves. Please be okay with me walking through. Oh my god. Very cute. Hello. I just never know with cows. It's just one of them that might want to get up and have an investigate and get all up in your face. Other times they don't care. It's just 50-50. This is saying that otters are very common here at low tide, so fingers crossed, because that's pretty much the only thing I am still waiting on seeing that I had hoped for would be some otters. So yeah, that would be insane. Anyway, look at the view there. Up and over here now, another push. But let's go. So I did my mileage for today about 2 miles ago, but it's just following a main road. There's not really anywhere to sort of camp up. So I pushed on, drank a bit more water, and now I'm here at this town. Aileen, don't know how you pronounce it. And because I was running low, I went and asked one of these houses down here if I could have some more water. And they've kindly filled up. And the guy's also given me a beer because he asked if I was alone. So yeah, big thank you to him. That'll go down lovely. Boom, 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 boom. This morning feels really different. One, because I'm walking through a bit of woodland, which I've not seen a lot of at all on this walk. And the other is that it's just cloudy. And yeah, it's not meant to look like this according to me, but I think typically this is what it looks like most of the time, which, I mean, it goes to show me how lucky I've been really, because although it's still lovely, it's not the same. So to have had 6-7 days of just pure sun, it's been incredible. And yeah, I actually haven't checked the forecast, but hopefully there's no rain, but I also wouldn't be angry if there was, so yeah, we'll see. I was just doing some reading about this woodland from the book, and in the 1970s the Forestry Commission planted a load of lodgepole pine and Sitka spruce here. But what happened is the pine beauty moth came and all its hungry larvae basically ate a load of the trees, and it killed off a lot of the area. Oh, uphill. Do this at the top. Which their larvae can basically kill off the trees, and that also happened. So a large number of the trees in the woodland died, and it sort of fell into disrepair. But the Forestry Commission kind of gave up and then donated the area back to the community. And since then, they've worked to plant other species and broaden the range of biodiversity, and seeing how that's impacting bird life and bug life, which is kind of a really nice twist that, you know, there was something that failed, but now off the back of it, they've actually got a project that's, you know, potentially running better and will do more than what just the pine trees would have done initially. Oh, nice. That was hard work to get out. Don't like to do it, but I've had to just cut off a bit of the trail and follow the road into a town because I'm low on water. I've not really had a lot today. I've had to put an electrolyte tablet in what I do have. So yeah, just diverting to find some houses, some civilization that can help me out, and then yeah, I'll continue on the road. I'll only cut off about 1.5 miles or so, but it's a shame not to be on the other side of this hill looking at the locks. But Safety first, fun second, always. I'm feeling pretty dehydrated, so it's the smart play. Balallan is one of the longest villages in Scotland, stretching a whopping 4 miles. The town was developed alongside crofting and fishing industries, but now its homes are open to anyone who wishes to live here and take in the beautiful views of Loch Erisort. People who live here are just amazing, because not only have I got water, they've also given me a Magnum. Unbelievable, look at that double cherry. This might be the first time I'm actually a bit chilly, and I'm, God, 140 miles in, 155, and yeah, like I say, first time really. I've had to put my coat on, bit of a wind, it's a bit cold, it's going to be windy overnight, but then sunny again tomorrow for the finish. And in fairness, there's still a little bit of sun peeking through, it's just that wind is cold. But look at that. Yeah, it's a crazy place. It's unbelievable. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Come on, please be okay. Please be okay. Oh, it's definitely... Ooh, that's not... Big step. Right, where's the path gone? But yeah, I've been knee deep in that a few times the last couple of days, which you haven't seen. And then your shoes get wet, and I've had a few blisters, but they've actually all sort of kept on and been okay. But oh, still dry today, which is good. Yes. Shout out the new shoes, the Merrells. Pow. They've been good, to be fair. We like to see that one. Yeah. This is it. Final stretch. 2 miles to go. It's going to be a boring walk along the road, but the rest of it sure wasn't that bad. But yeah, 2 miles to go. Let's finish this off, shall we? Well, I mean, I'm going to go and explore that way anyway, but yeah, it was lovely to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
Take care. The last few miles were through the castle grounds, and I walked with a local who asked me many questions about my journey and favourite bits along the way. Lewes Castle was built in the 1800s as an extravagant country house and showpiece. It's now managed by the local authority and attracts many tourists to Stornoway. This beautiful town marks the end of the trail and the ferry port where I'll depart back to the Scottish mainland, but not without touching the official finish. But that's only if I can find it. Sorry to bother you guys. You haven't happened to seen that big brass pillar anywhere, have
No,
you?
not yet, no.
It's the end of the Hebridean Way. I can't find it. It's meant to be here somewhere. So I've not finished my walk until I touch it. I don't know where it is. I've just asked. None of them have got a clue. No, the young kids behind the cafe. Okay, we've asked a local. That guy behind says it should be just on the other side of this car park. So my fingers are crossed, but we'll see. Oh, where is it? I just don't think it exists. We found it. It's at the bottom of the castle. We found it. Oh, I've just petered around for like half an hour up there. What an absolute joke. Let's set up the tripod quick time. Get you on there. Yes. Over and out.